Want to know how to make the most money with affiliate marketing? Watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you, to me it's not talked about enough, a method that you can use to make a lot more money with your affiliate marketing. But before I get into that, if you are serious about starting your own online business and making a passive income, be sure to check out Builderall and Genesity, both links in the description of this video. Be sure to check that out. Now, guys, when it comes to making money online, one of the first things that usually pop up is affiliate marketing. That's where you take a product that's already there, already done. You don't got to create it. You promote it, and you get a commission every time you sell that product. Okay. Now, me personally, it's always good to have promote programs that have a recurring income. That way you can sell it once, right, and then get paid over and over, month and month, year after year, right? That's what I always preach to people, and that's a lot of people talk that, recurring income. That's really cool way to make money with affiliate marketing. But there's another thing that a lot of people don't talk about, and that is two-tier affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with that, it's basically where you're an affiliate marketer, right? You're promoting a product, blah, blah, blah. Now, you can actually promote the product, but you also can get other people underneath you, and they can promote the same product, and you get a cut of whatever they earn. Now, you might be like, well, that's a pyramid. No, it's not. It's just two-tier. That's it, two-tier. You're here, and you can get, say, for example, if you want to jump on and you want to promote what I'm promoting, right, and you can get help from me to help you promote, all right, then I can get a percentage of whatever you make. Now, since you're the top affiliate, now you can get people underneath you, right, just one person underneath you, whatever, and you would get a percentage of everything they do. So if you had 10 people underneath you promoting the same product or whatever, you're going to get that. Those are 10 different income streams. Hell, get 50 people underneath you. That's your second tier. You're going to have 50 potential income streams. That's what a lot of people don't. And keep in mind, with a lot of affiliate marketing, the difference between that and, say, like a pyramid thing or whatever is your commissions are usually pretty good. 50%, 30%, 75%. None of that like 5-6% stuff. Now, every once in a while, really high ticket products and stuff, yeah, you might get like the 10%, but you're earning $200-300 a deal, so it kind of plays out. But typically, with two-tier, you can make some pretty decent money just by getting people underneath you. Also, you should be promoting the product. So if you're looking at affiliate marketing, you're just getting started, find a two-tier affiliate program. That way you can really maximize your earning potential, and that's what we all want to do. All right, which brings me to the point of Builderall, which I always talk about. They have an amazing two-tier affiliate program that people are making a ton of money, and I'm actually a part of it. Builderall, you should know that by now. But here's the cool thing: if you want to come underneath me with my two-tier team, we have crazy training to teach you how to get affiliate sales and how to get other affiliates underneath you. It's incredible, the tools and everything that you can have with this. It's like a team community, and you're going to be making recurring income, passive income from promoting Builderall, and you're going to have people underneath you making you money every month, guys. So if you want to get started with that, like I just said earlier, link in the description for Builderall. Once you get over there, you can contact me, whatever, and get started with Builderall. And once you sign up for the $49 a month plan, I will see it and I will connect with you and I will get you involved and give you all the tools and training that you could ever imagine to grow your business and build up a banging recurring income. All right. So, and even if you don't mess with Builderall, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I'm doing. But even if you don't want to do that and you're just getting into the affiliate marketing game, find a 2-tier program that you like, that you feel comfortable with, because all you're doing is just making more money. You know what I'm saying? Instead of you just earning your normal commission, why not earn that commission plus earn from other people selling underneath you, right? It just makes sense. All right, guys. So, like I said, if you want to get started with Builderall and join my team and start making some recurring income, you already know, link in that description. Be sure to comment, share, and if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm always dropping content. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.